Take part in the TTRU3 One Touch OLTC promo. First, go to megger.com/TTRU3 and download and install the TTRU3 software. Start recording yourself and run the TTRU3 software. Enable simulation mode when prompted. Select New Test Plan and configure the nameplate for testing OLTCs by changing one of the windings to OLTC. Next, enter nameplate voltages. Select Test Setup. Select your DETC tap to test. Set your OLTC to auto. Select the start and end taps for the OLTC winding and disable error-limited OLTC. Finally, click Test and confirm the default ID. Record a couple of tap transitions and when finished, submit your video to any social media platform with the hashtag OneTouchOLTC. Email us by October 31st, 2022 with a link to your video and contact info to be eligible for a free One Touch OLTC upgrade. In addition, the most creative video will receive a $500 gift card, so get creative!